I'm Brax. I'm someone that makes content on YouTube a lot. That's my channel right here. And today I will be teaching you on how to add my Vivify bundles into Quest. So you can be able to play such a great maps from my Discord server. So what you're gonna need to do is you need to make sure you have at least an Oculus headset with beatsaber that's already modded. If you do not have it, please check out the video I will link in the description. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need your VR. And when you have your VR, you are going to plug it into your computer. So let me grab my cable. Alright, I have my cable. Now you are going to plug it into your computer. Now let me accept the thing. I forgot, I already have it connected automatically. Now, if I go into my things, holy a lot of things, I should see my quest. We'll be needing this. Now, you are going to go to my Discord server, or you can just DM me. If you need to DM me for the asset bundles, please DM this user right here. Then now, when you do download it, you are going to go to your Quest 3S. You can download it on PC or Quest. It's literally the same thing for both. Then you're gonna go to here, then mod data, beatsaber, mods, uh, song core, custom levels, then find your Vivify map that you're willing to choose. I already have my things in there, but this is a good point to make. So, when you do get Aether, you will want to import it. If I can find Aether. Here it is. And now you're just going to import it into here, like right here. And then now you're finished and you can go to player level. Thank you for watching this tutorial.